We were doing so good. We were doing so good. What's up, guys? Vega here from Serpent Special Forces. Watching Red Panda's live stream and kind of just looking through the charts and everything. We were up, at least my one rig at this location was up to about $5-6 a day. We were doing good. And then this shit happens. So 2020 was looking promising. I mean, at the end of 2019, we were pumping up, moving up bit by bit, all the way up to in the 10,000s in February, and then we just slowly dropped and crept down, and just recently, as everybody knows, it took a big dump. Panic sell, big movement, manipulation, whatever you want to call it. All I know is once people started to see Bitcoin drop and the market, the financial market, just plummeted, they started to panic sell. Whether it was on stocks or crypto, people started to panic sell. We got world events happening. We got the oil or crude oil fiasco between countries. We have the market taking a crap. We have cryptocurrency not being so much a store of value, but being correlated with the stock market, or looking as if it's correlated in some form of fashion, because I mean, there's no denying it. If you look at the stocks and especially the S&P, it's definitely moving alongside. Maybe a delay as far as you know, when one dropped, the other follows, or vice versa. But long story short, in my mind, and I'm not a financial expert, I do like to watch technical analysis and others provide their opinions, and then I draw my own conclusions, which I would recommend you do as well. But as soon as, you know, people were liquidated and we started to see this momentum go, you could see it here. I mean, we went from, let's see here, the 12th. We're looking at the 12th. The 12th is really what hit us hard. I mean, we dropped from the 7th to the 9th, from about 9,000 to 78, but then we were holding strong around that 78, 8,000 area, and then it was just downhill from there, and there was just no stopping it whatsoever. I was literally at my son's choir for the church, and I'm on my phone watching this happen, and I'm like, well, damn. But at the same time, in the back of my mind, I'm like, hell yeah. This is more buying opportunities. Yes, it sucks that it dropped this low, but as soon as I was seeing, you know, 6, 5, 4, top of the 3,000 range, I was just like, buy more, buy some more. And the whole time my son is performing, I'm sitting there buying. I'm just like, okay, yeah, sure, I'll take that, because I believe, and you may too, or you may disagree, let me know in the comments, I believe that Bitcoin isn't going anywhere. And the same thing I told my mom, because my mom, she played stocks back in the day, and she, you know, went through a firm, and of course that firm takes commission, they take their cut. The thing is by doing that, those people take their cut no matter what. If the price goes up or down, they take their cut. So when the stock market crashed, she lost all her money because they kept taking their piece, even while she was losing her portfolio. So with Bitcoin, as I explained to her, I was like, that amount of Bitcoin you see in your wallet will always be that amount unless you sell or buy more. Even if Bitcoin goes down to $10, you will still have 0.0 whatever you got, or 0.05 or 0.06. You always have that amount in your wallet. The different venues or wallets that you have, you know, just because Bitcoin goes down isn't going to take their portion back. It doesn't work that way. You own that Bitcoin. What Bitcoin is valued at, fiat-wise, is a different story. But you will always have that amount of Bitcoin. So this is a perfect time to continue to accumulate. And because I believe Bitcoin isn't going anywhere, it should keyword should, because nobody can predict anything, go back up. It will go back up. That's my belief. It will go back up. So this is a perfect time now to accumulate more assets. And that's exactly what I did. Not only Bitcoin, but other altcoins that, I wouldn't have had the money to go and buy. And this is the best time, especially during tax season. If you got your taxes back and you got to, please don't spend more than you can afford to lose. But this is the perfect time for you to take a small portion of that or small percentage and accumulate more assets. But right now, if you had 1660 Ti's, we're only making 41 cents a day. When before, it was $2 on the 616 Ti's. And this actually messed up I have a video that comes out once a month about what are the most profitable coins to mine for the month of, I did January, we did February, I'm going to do March. And this is going to fuck up my March one, I'll tell you that right now. But it's still going to be insightful and informational because it's going to tell us, what were the top coins to mine during that time. And I hope through those videos that we can look at past information to help us draw conclusions for the future. That's the whole goal of these videos. But the numbers have definitely been impacted. And if we look at, the 580s too, 580s, they were just becoming more and more profitable. And more coins would bring you a profit, and now we're back down to only a handful, and that's going to be Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. Other than that, you're just you're spending electricity or money to, yes, gain more assets, and one day hope that asset increases in dollar or fiat value. But we're just going to continue as a miner. We continue to play this game of, I believe in this project. I believe that it's going to do good. I believe it's going to be around for a long time. So I'm going to mine this currency and see how it goes. Matter of fact, I want to see something here. It's sad. It's sad, but at the same time, there's some damn good buying opportunities, and I definitely wanted to go ahead and grab it. So I'm going to sort by mineable coins. In the past 24 hours, these coins, which I have not participated in, HTML coin, the volume looks pretty crappy. Anything that you see low volume, you shouldn't get into. But, it just sucks. I can't. There's no words. There's no words. So a couple of coins that I'm not really familiar with, Horizons there, went down. But everybody is up compared to the past 24 hours, compared to the past day. Obviously, everything is shit. Let's just check out Total 2 real quick. Total 2. And yeah, so don't worry too much. I'm sorry because the world circumstances impacting people, manufacturers, supply lines. There's a lot of concern. Honestly, it's not World War Z. It's not, the apocalypse. Everything will be okay. As a miner, we've been through this before. It will get better. Here's your opportunity to continue to accumulate and mine further. But that's just my personal opinion. I hope you guys are doing okay and surviving. Taking care of your health, most importantly. Try to stay healthy. Take care of your elderly. Take care of your children. I'm making sure my boys are good. They're actually, like a lot of schools are closed and a lot of businesses are being shut down or people are being told to work from home. I actually might be working from home myself. But it's a crazy situation. I understand that. I do apologize. On behalf of the crypto community, for those of you who are just new into the game, saw an opportunity, you got in, and then this came back to bite you. It's a bad taste in your mouth, but it will get better. If you're new to cryptocurrency, it will get better. Cryptocurrency is a revolutionary technology. The underlying technology blockchain is what's going to change and improve the world and help us move forward. And the cryptocurrency itself, if you're just in it for the money, yes, it could be beneficial. It could also bite you in the ass, but it's all about playing smart. There's plenty of good information out there. Don't listen to every single person because their opinions and financial information may not even be valid or is based on false information. So you really need to do your own homework. I just stick with it, guys. Stick with it. I hope you guys are having a good weekend despite this downtrend that we see. We're holding steady right now around the 5,400 area. I mean, if it dips down below and you got some extra cash, again, do not spend more than you can afford to lose. I would say accumulate more while you can. Another thing that I was doing, because I'm a miner, not so much a trader, I do use algo bots or trading bots to accumulate more assets, whether it's Bitcoin or any of the altcoins, and that actually helped me out during this downtrend, because as I was at the event unable to set up my computer and trade, my bot was going ahead and executing shorts and accumulating more assets. So I wish you the best of luck. Thanks for stopping by today. Hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe for more content like this. I'm more on the hardware side / technical side of cryptocurrency, not so much TA or trading, but I do like to talk about it. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care.